Hi friends, I am Sudha sir. I am going to give you a lecture on epilepsy. You know that what is epilepsy? Epilepsy is nothing but a disorder of the central nervous system. Is there issue of person because of which the patient is unconscious or sometimes it is not conscious one. In Sometimes you have to be observe the different variety of the people when they are to be walking. Suppose your friend is there to suffer by epilepsy and you don't know. While walking, immediately sometimes it shows some the abnormal behavior is there and he has become unconscious. His mouth is there, become it shows somewhat abnormality, or the hands are there that are to be stretched one, or he tries to pick up the clothes very tightly. Likewise, the conditions are there that is will happen. That is nothing but is epilepsy there. There we see that the different type of the photos I am going to show you that indicate that the persons are there that are suffered by the epilepsy. Yes, this is the one figure is there where the hands are there that are to be stretched, legs are there that are also become fold, means the muscles are there that are some stretch or that are to be contracted, so that the person is there is shows somewhat abnormal behavior. This is the second one figure is there, and the lady there is fall, it is a unconscious, the hands are there that are stretched and the legs are there that are also stage one. Third one figure is there where this is to be happen in most of the children where they show somewhat the convex type of the body arc is there that is form, and here somewhere time the hands are there that are straight and the legs are there that are to be having somewhat the different folding. In this case, this lady is there that she fall on the ground and he is unconscious. So in that case, the person is trying to help to this one particular patients. Now here also at house also the patient is there, if we fall, you observe the legs of this one patient that are somewhat stretched. One is stretched and one is a fold one. He don't know, he is become unconscious one. Okay. Now the next one figure either that person is there, if we fall or the patient is fall on the ground and someone lady is going to help this one patient. From these all figures, what that indicate? No, there is no exact location either anywhere that seizures are there that should be appears, and that condition is there is known as epilepsy. Yes, all these indicate these persons are there that are suffered by the epilepsy, right? In Marathi we call it as a pitene. In Hindi, it is known as a murcha also. Sometime you have to be observed that some such type of the peoples or the some peoples are there that are to be fall immediately on the ground and they are awake. So that in that case some are going to give onion, or if by onion that are not awake, then in that case socks, a person who are having a excess sweating and bad smell, if there such type of the socks are there that are to be held or the nose of the such person, so that immediately that he is awake. Because the ammonia which is present in that one particular socks, that is responsible to cause the stimulation, and because of which the awakening of the patient is occur, but not those such conditions in ancient times. Such type of the treatments are there that are given. Okay. Now, next one, what is the seizures and what is the epilepsy? Seizure is nothing but a sudden attack, or we can say that outburst of a particular activity, means such as any type of the activity is there that is should be performed by the scissors. In scissors, some type of the activities are there that is should be performed by the patient, and that is should be characterized by the abnormal or excessive. We can say that why he is doing such things, but we don't know, and that patient also don't know what he is going to do. This is because of the hypersynchronous discharge of the cortical neuron activity. Means what are the neurons are there, cortical neurons are there, that are hyper secreted, and because of which that chemical the person shows the abnormal, or we can say that excessive behavior. Means shivering of the hands are there, on the mouth is there is to stage, likewise the conditions are there, that is behavior, that is nothing but is your seizure. Now, what is epilepsy? Epilepsy is nothing but from the long term, if the patient is suffered by this one seizure, then a group of the disorders are there. Means if the treatment is not to be done on the same patient, and much more diseases are there that are to be found, or the disorders are there that are to be found, that usually not predictable. Means we cannot predict such uh, persons and occur in the absence of the consistent provoking factor. Consistent provoking factor means causing anyone or irritation. If such type of the persons are there that we are irritated, means they shows abnormal behavior. The mouths, if they are usually move in a such a way that just like vomiting or the chewing condition is there. Sometimes the secretion of the saliva is there. She found this condition causes irritation. So this is nothing but a condition of the epilepsy. What is epilepsy? Epilepsy is nothing but the, from the long term, the patient is suffered by the seizures, and there is a series of the disorders are there that is we found, and these characters are there that are usually not predictable, and that occur in the absence of the consistent provoking is there, and because of which irritation is there is we found, is nothing but is epilepsy, right? Now, epilepsy is not a contagious. Means this is not a communicable disease that is not to be transferred from one person to the another person, or from one organism to the another organism, typically by the direct contact. Means if you feel that if I to shake with this one particular person, that disease is transferred from that person to me. If he live with this one person, then I also get contaminated or communicate by this one particular disease. It is not like that. It is not a contagious disease. It is not a mental illness. Means that disease is remain for short period of the time, for a few seconds, 10 to 30 seconds. If you have to give the treatment, then it immediately reverse. Means the patient becomes fever. So it is a, not a mental illness. Mental illness is remain for the longer time, and it requires treatment. But in case of the epilepsy, such condition is there is not found. Then a cognitive disability means difficult to do the normal task. In such condition, if the epileptic person is there, he is awake, he is not awake, or unconscious one, or though he is a conscious one, but if the attack of the epilepsy there is found, in that case the patient is unable to perform his work. Then the neurological dysfunctions are there that are to be seen in the epilepsy. The neurological dysfunctions are nothing but the begin at the birth. Means that disease is there that should be started from the birth of the child is there. Then mostly such type of the disease is frequently found in the childhood, because that children are there that is not awake, and systems are there that is not to be developed properly, so that the consequence or the frequency of the appearance of this epilepsy in the children is more. That epilepsy sometimes it get clearer at the age increases, but sometimes it remains as such in the patient. But definitely, the what is the frequency of the attack of the epilepsy is major, and quantity is more in the childhood as compared to the adolescence, and even sometimes the in adult age also in some patient they show the attack of the epilepsy. Now the classification of the epilepsy. Epilepsy there should be classified as a partial seizures, means without impairment of the consciousness. Means consciousness is there is not impaired in such patient, means they are conscious, and in that case some of the motor symptoms are there that is we observe, or the motor functions are there, so that the shivering is there, hand shakings are there without any reason. They show such type of the symptoms are there, the stretching of the hand, one hand is stretched in upward direction, one is on the downward direction. Likewise, the symptoms are there that should be appear. That is the, but the patient is conscious. Okay, means awake with the special sensory or the somatic symptoms are there in this one particular patient. Then with the psychic symptoms are there, it shows some of the psychic behavior. We can say that the person is psychic. Sometimes we call it also, are you psychic? Then if the such type of the persons are there, they show somewhat the psychic symptoms are there. Some suppose somewhat the materials are there that are represented in front of that because of the epilepsy, they throw such type of the material. Remote is there, mobiles are there that are to be thrown by these patients because they don't know what is the importance of that. They only in that one epilepsy attack, the actions are there that are to be done automatically. This is the partial seizures are there. Okay, yeah, you know that when the patient is there, if we fall on the ground and here the his neighbors or the helping persons are there that are helping to these patients. This lady there, she fall, that is the epileptic person is there, uh, lady is there, and this is the helping person is there. The legs are there that are which stay, so that in that case he had to lift his legs so he get comfort. And in this case such type of the treatments are there that are to be given, that is a partial seizures are there. Now the second one is that is complex seizures. Mean the patient is there is impaired of the consciousness. Means patient is there is not conscious one. Then simple partial onset is followed by the impairment of the consciousness. The what is the consciousness is there that is to be impaired. When it is not like that the patient become unconscious, but patient is conscious, but he is not showing such type of the responses as the conscious patients are there, so that there is an impairment or imbalancing in the consciousness is occurred. That is nothing but is a impairment of the conscious patients are there. The impairment of consciousness at onset is there. This is the figure is there, or the diagram is there. Here the children is there is not going to respond to that lady or her his mother, what he is going to say, what sensations are there, even though the sensations are there, that is not also pursued by this patient. That is known as an impairment consciousness. Means patient is conscious, but it is not going to give the responses in the epilepsy what is the which are to be required by the persons. Okay, that is a impaired consciousness. Now the next one is there, that is a secondarily generalized epilepsy is there. That is a partial onset overlooking the generalized tonic or the clonic seizures are there. This is the focal seizures are there with the secondary generalized. Means what are the hammerings are there. In case of the what are the seizures are there that are temporarily disturb the brain functions due to the hypersynchronous abnormal firing. Continuous firing is there that is done on this one of the cortical neurons. The term epileptic seizure is distinguished from the non-epileptic seizures, or these non-epileptic seizures are also known as a psychogenic, or we can say that pseudo seizures or dummy seizures are there. It involves the abnormal clinical behavior that might resemble the epileptic seizure, but it is not called the hypersynchronous neuronal firing. Means what are these seizures which are to be originated here from this? What is the seizures are there which are to be originated that are not because of the hypersynchronous neuronal firing? Means what is the neurons are there that are fire, and because of which what is the firing is there is done. This is not because of the hypersynchronous neuronal firing. The clinical manifestation of the seizure is depends on the specific organs. In case of the brain, there are the different receptors are there that are represented to show that the total control. Specific regions are there and the extent of the brain is involved. For example, alteration in the motor functions, but the motor neurons are there, their functions are there, that is altered. Then function, then sensation alteration. What are the sensations are there that are altered? What are the touch? Is there hearing? Is there smell sensations are there that are altered? Then perceptions are there that are also altered. Then atomic functions, or the some of the combinations of the these are there, means 2 to 3 impulses are there that are to be mixed up with each other, so that a mixed response is there that is we observe. Then anyone might experience a seizure, means can you judge the person is suffered by the seizures or not? You can definitely judge the normal person and the seizure person, because the normal person is not having shivering of the body, or the shaking of the body, or lifting of the hand automatically, or the bending of the mouth or the hands, and the seizures are the shiverings are there that is found in that person's body. That you nothing but the seizures are there that is we appear in the clinical setting. That is the meningitis are there, then hypoglycemic toxins injections are there. Uh, Likewise, the conditions are there that you appear in case of the secondary generalized seizure. Then generalized seizures are there. In this secondary generalized seizure, there is a absence of the myoclonic, then clonic, then tonic, then tonic-clonic, then atonic, then infantile spasms are there. All these seizures are there. That is a myoclonic seizure, clonic seizure, tonic-clonic seizures, then atonic seizures are there that are absent. Okay. Now the next one is there, that is an unclassified seizure. This may be appear in a person who was asleep, means he is not going to be asleep for a longer time. He will remain alone, or the seizures were not with witness, means only the seizures is not a witness that, but it shows somewhat the abnormal behavior. Abnormal behavior means without witness of the seizure, means in that patient there is a seizures are there that are not present, but it shows somewhat the abnormal behavior. They showing that one some of the material directly or indirectly, then and he don't know in that condition. So that is nothing but your unclassified seizures are there. If there is not enough information about the person's seizures are there. Now the next one is there, that is the status epileptic seizures are there. Now here, in case of the status epileptic seizures, we have to be observe the, this is the normal ECG of the normal person's brain is there. Here to be observed this one, the somewhat the wavelengths are there that should observe, but the intensity of this one wavelength is too much short, or the wave is there that is very small is there. But if the patient is suffered by the partial seizures, yeah, only the small portion of the brain is there is to be affected, or the seizures are there that are to be found on this one particular location. So if you are going to take this graph, then that shows some much larger waves are there that are to be wavelengths are there that is to be found uh, uh, in a higher proportion. This is known as a partialized seizure, and generalized seizures are there. The region is there that is also somewhat greater as compared to the partial seizures. And if you take the ECG of this one portions, then that indicates somewhat the higher or the full brain portion. It shows a wavy type of the lines are there, means that generalized seizures are there that are more as compared to the partial seizures. Now 80% partial seizures are there, that near about 80% people are there that are having partial seizures are there. This is the this graph is there that is we show that is the before seizures, or is a small portion is there, and some of the body there is a normal. But whenever there is a seizures are there that are to be found, a jerk is found in the right half of the face, means the right portion. This is the right portion of the face is there, the jerk is there is found. The eyes show some of the abnormal behavior. There is a dilation of the pupil is occurs. Have you observed? This one eye there is somewhat normal, so there is a dilation of the eye is occurs. If the patient is fully conscious one, the simple partial pleasures are there that are do not cause loss of the consciousness, means the patient is conscious, he know he's going to be suffered by some of the abnormalities, and on which his brain or he is not going to control. Uncontrollable things are there which are to be happen in the body. That is nothing but your epilepsy, or we can say that seizures. Now, what are the symptoms? The motor nerves are there. That is a convergence. You know that convergence, थरथर कांपने की और फिट्स आल्यासारखं म्हणे convergence are there, that is we appear. Then jerking, jerk bustling means immediate there is a biting if there is should be found, or sometimes the teeth get closed, or sometimes if the tongue is to be found in between the teeth, the tongue may get cut. Chewing motions are there, means the person which shows the chewing motion, or the lips marking positions are there that are to be observed. This is the because of the cortical regions are there. This is the cortical origins are there which are responsible to do this all things. Then sensory and somatosensory neurons are there. That is a parasympathetic hours are there. Then atomic are there. In case of the atomic neuron, there is a sweating or flushing. Then pupil dilation. Likewise, things are there that are to be found. The patient feel the palpitation, or there is a excess sweating in there is to be found. Sometimes flushing effect is found, or the pupil dilation is occur. Behavioral symptoms are there, means there is somewhat change in the behavioral of the epileptic person. There is a hallucination, means patient live in his own world. He don't know what is going to be happen in the surrounding. It shows somewhat the abnormal behavior when the person is going to take the charas or the bhang at the time of the Holi. That person goes into the hallucination, because if he dance, then he continuously show the dancing. He continuously speak without any reason where someone is present or not. Likewise, the things are there, means uncontinuously, unless and until the effect of the drug is there on that body, the body it shows its automatic action and the continuation. So in this epileptic person, the action is there, it should remain continuously unless and until the attack is there, is to be present on that one particular organ. Then dyspnea condition is that in impaired consciousness, that is somewhat rare. Okay. Now the complex partial seizure, impairment of the consciousness. The patient if there is not become a conscious one, or if it is a conscious person, he is not able to give the responses because of the epileptic seizures attack is there. So it shows some of the abnormal behaviors, that is an impairment of the consciousness. Then purposeless behavior is a common. We some of the people, if you found that he throws the some of the important guns are there, then toys are there of the children are there, or remote, mobile, whatever the material which he found to throw. If he is going to throw, but the person is the adult one, if he is going to perform such activity without any reason, then in that case you may say that person is having a seizure. Okay, means he is not going to perform purposefully, because he knows that what is the importance of that, what is the cause is there, what happened if he is going to throw, if there is a damage is there, she will perform. All these things he know, but still he is going to perform such activity. This is because of the seizures are there. Affected person may wonder about the MBC. Sometimes a person is there, she is walking, he don't know where he is going, means there is no aim is there in that person, but he is going to walk uh, or wander from here and there. Not like that by using the bike, bicycle, car, but he walk without he knowingly where he go. He don't know where he is going, what happened at that one particular condition. So this is nothing but the seizures are there. Then aggressive behavior, or if the attack is there is much more severe, then in that case patient roar or also speak in a high volume, like where the conditions are there, or we can say that the violence is there, shouting more without any reason, he is shouting or talking or say something which is abnormal one, that is nothing but the violence is there. Then automatism is there, that's a picking at close. if the in some case you found that the clothes are there that are to be picked up when there is a seizure attacks is there, the patient to protect himself he want to take the support. So what are the clothes which are to be found, he pick up that clothes, uh, that condition is there, that is appear, then visual, then auditory or olfactory hallucinations are there. Means if he watch to the one target, he continuously watch on that one particular target. When you have to be focus light on his or her eye, there is no blinking is there issue found. That is one of the type of the uh, epilepsy attack is there, auditory or the olfactory hallucination is there. Means if you have to speak loudly or apply a speaker at the ear also, he is not going to reply. That is a hallucination is there. Now the generalized seizures are there, that is affecting the both hemisphere. In case of the generalized seizure, both the surface of the brains are affected, that is the left surface as well as the right surface, where that impulses are there that becomes to the subcortical origin. Now there are the three types of the generalized seizures are there. By the diffusion mechanism, from higher concentration to the lower concentration, that is we transfer. This is the main origin, that is the subcortical region. From this the waves are there or the impulses are there that are to be transferred to the both side. That is nothing but the generalized seizures are there. There are the three types, that is idiopathic epilepsies are there. That idiopathic epilepsies are there, that is age related, means that is found in the childhood also, adult also, and in the adolescence also. In genetic origin, the epilepsy is transferred from one generation to the another generation. uh, Okay, that is a idiopathic epilepsy. In this epilepsy, the what is the exact mechanism or the why this epilepsy is occurred, that is not known. So that is comes in case of this one idiopathic epilepsy, symptomatic epilepsy, a consequence of the known or the suspected underlying disorder of the central nervous system. Symptomatic means there are some symptoms are there that you have to be observed, and by these symptoms you can, up till now what you study, by this one symptoms you can easily say the person is suffered by the epilepsy, because you know that what are the symptoms are there that you have to be observed in the normal person and the epileptic person, and from this you can easily judge the person is suffered by the epileptic, that because of the symptoms. That next one is there, that is a cryptogenic epilepsy, a disorders of the hidden cause or the age related are there. Some of the disorders are there that is not to be found easily, or that is not a common one, but sometimes some of the conditions are there that are arises, and in that response to that one particular condition, the changes are there that is we found, that is nothing but your cryptogenic epilepsy is there. Okay. Now absence seizures are there, that is known as a petit mal epilepsy. Petit mal, grand mal, likewise the epilepsies are there. In case of the everywhere, it is not like the uh, patient shows the seizures. In some case, there is a seizures are there that are not found, that is known as a petit mal epilepsy, or is known as a absence seizure. Alteration of the consciousness or absence, and that is lasting for the 10 to 30 seconds. Means the patient is conscious, there is a no seizures are there that is observed, and that is also remain only for 10 to 30 seconds. Within that, the patient shows some of the abnormal behavior, and that is starting with eye blinking, then loss of the postural tone, then 100 or more daily. Means in that one particular person, if that person is suffered by the petit mal type of the epilepsy, there is a eye blinking is there is we found. Uh, then there is a loss of the postural tone. What is the normal tone? Normal behavioral there. That normal behavioral, if there is not to be found, is somewhat different one, and that same posture is there is to be repeated 100 times a day. That is known as this one. That is a petit mal epilepsy. The onset that epilepsy, petit mal epilepsy, is to be started from the at the age of the 3 years to the 16 years, and this is appear at the age of 14. Then myoclonic, that is a sudden or involuntary jerk of the facial. Means what is the face is there, that is what shows a different facial expression, means the lower jaw is there, that is be moved toward the left upper side, or right upper side there is be moved, and sometime he is unable to speak and show somewhat different reactions are there which are not normal one, that is a myoclonic attack is there. Then trunk muscles are there, then in a rhythmic manner that conditions are there that are to be found, but the trunk is there that should move in the upward directions, likewise the conditions are there that are to be occurred. Then uh, clonic petit mal epilepsy. That is a sustained muscle contraction altering with the relaxation. Means sometimes you have to be observed that the patient is lifting his hand in upward direction. Suppose in a class you are sitting, teacher is there is going to teach, but immediately without any reason, no one is asking to the patient, and the patient shows lifting of his hand, and he also don't know why the hand is lifting, and he observe this one hand and he is unable to control to hold down his hand in a downward direction. Sometimes there is a relaxation in there should be found, but the process is continue unless and until the attack is there, that is should be found, that is the lifting of the hand, that is a clonic type of the petit mal epilepsy is there. Then tonic, or we can say that the sustained muscles are there. Then sustained muscle stepping is there is to be found in that one particular uh, persons. Okay, just a minute. Sorry for the disturbances. Sir. Shifting is there is to be found. Okay. Yes. Uh, we are going to start continue with this one lecture because of the some problem. The is there is of course. Okay. Now, in this one case, particularly the problems are there that issue occurs. Okay, we again I am going to repeat this one. That is a myoclonic. Is there involuntary the jerking or the facial limbs are there that is not to be having the normal movement or the structure is there issue found, or the muscle and the rhythmic manners are there. Then clonic, that is the sustained muscle contraction and altering with the relaxation. What are the movements are there that is we not in a control of the brains are there, and that is we occur, that is altering in the relaxation. Okay. Then tonic petit mal epilepsy, that is a sustained muscle stiffings are there, muscle becomes stiff and sustain, means at what particular position the body is there, the body remains at that one particular position unless and until there is a treatment is there is found. Okay. Now the tonic uh, clonic is there, that is a grand mal epilepsy. I told you that there are the grand mal epilepsy, petit mal epilepsy. Hello friends, as disturbances are there that are occur. Okay. Okay, I'm going to continue with this one tonic or the grand mal epilepsy. In this one figure, you have to observe that the lady is there, she fall on the ground, sudden loss of the consciousness. but the ladies there is be working at our home, or he is going to uh, stand on the staircase, he is to be fall on the ground. This is because of the tonic phase. Patient become rigid and falls on the ground uh, because of this one epileptic attack. The such about the condition is there is be found. The respiration is uninterrupted, means respiration is there is be continue. In this case, the patient shows back acts are there, which is we found, then that is will last for about 1 minute. In the second figure, the you have to be observe this one. If the tongue is there, that she comes out, and in between the teeth, the tongues are there that are to be found. Okay. If the severity of this one attack is more, sometime tongue may get cut, so it's very dangerous for the patient. Then a chronic phase is there, that is a rapid muscle jerk is there issue found. In muscle flaccidity is there issue occur. Flaccidity is nothing but the lacking of the firmness. What the work is there that issue occurs, that is the firmness is there is not to be found in this case, and that is hanging limpy, means just like without bones the person is there is trying to stand, you know that how is going to stand, that is the hanging limpy conditions are there. Okay. The next one is there, that is incontinuous tongue biting. There is a continuous biting action is there that she found in this one particular condition. Then biting, then tachycardia, the heart rates are there that are more than the normal. Then heavy salivation are there that are found in case this one. Here you have to be observe this one, that is a clonic phase is there. The tongue is there that she found, then salivation is there she found, then the heart rates or the heartbeats are there that are more than the normal. By this figure you can also find out this one condition. Okay. Now the next one is there, during the postictal phase is there, the head ache or the confusion, nausea, drowsiness, disorientation, that is to be found. Here you have to be observed that this image is there is not to be found clearly, and because of which we can say that there is a somewhat the actions are there that is shown. So person is there is having a confusion, so he is unable to get the clear idea, and that indicate the person is there is to be having the epileptic attacks are there. Okay. Now this is the second one is there, because with the confusion or the drowsiness he is to be fall on the ground. Here that is the disorientations are there that are to be found. Okay, all these things are there, and that is will last for the hours. Okay. Then atonic drop attacks are there, sudden loss of the postural tones are there, then patient falls to the ground, that is will occur primarily in case of the children without any reason, they are to be fall on the ground immediately, and the postural tones are there that are changed, that is the atonic, or we can say that drop attack is there. Unclassified seizures are there. These are the mostly found in case of the children as well as neonates are there. We can say that it is a neonatal seizures are there. Epileptic seizures are there. The status epilepticus are there. This is a newborn baby there, where the seizures are there that are to be observed in this one particular baby. Seizures occur repeatedly with no recovery of the consciousness, means this baby is not conscious, but there is a repeated seizures are there that are to be found. So that is nothing but your neonatal epileptic seizures are there. So that the treatments are there that are to be given in these children also, by utilizing the different type of the electronic devices, or the special equipments are there that is available, which are used to control all these things and to measure the attack, how much concentrations of the epileptic seizures are there. Okay. Now, why these epileptic seizures are occur? This is mostly occur because of the high fever. In most of the cases, you have to be observed that whenever the normal persons are there, if his body temperature is more than the normal, we can say that more than the 105 degrees centigrade, then the patient shows some of the seizures are there, means their body is going to be sick. This is nothing but epileptic seizures are there. I'm not going to say that normal person is there in a feverish become the epileptic person, but the symptoms are there that are to be just like this one, high fever, especially in case of the infant. If the fever goes into the brain, such type of the epileptic seizures are there that are to be found. And drug use, some of the drug may induce the epileptic type of the seizure. Then alcohol withdrawal. Uh, Nowadays most of the peoples are there that having the high alcoholism, or we can say that alcoholic persons are there, or the drinkers are there. Their day is we starts with the alcohol and ends with the alcohol. Just like we are going to drink water, they are going to drink alcohol. For our body, normal person body, water, the amount of the water is required, so that person, the alcohol is there should be required only for drinking, I'm saying, not for other purpose. Okay. So if that person is not going alcohol, consume alcohol, then in that case he shows the symptoms, that is nothing but is your epilepsy, means shivering of the hands are there, then speaking difficulty or thinking difficulty, likewise the symptoms are there that is we found. Then near drowning or the lack of oxygen from the another cause, because of some difficulty if the oxygen supply is less, then the patient it may show epileptic type of the seizure. Then metabolic disturbances are there. The brain totally control on the metabolism process, but in some case the brain is unable to control on the metabolism, or disturbances are there that are to be found, that may in some patient it shows the epileptic type of, or the seizures. Then head trauma is the one of the important thing is there that causes the seizure. Then brain tumors are there. Because of the brain tumor, the blood supply to that one particular organ is there is not offer properly, and that leads to the seizure. Then infections, brain infection also causes the seizure. Then strokes are there when the blood supply to the organ is there is not to be offer, and because of which the seizures are occurs. Then complication of the diabetic or the pregnancies are there that also responsible to cause seizures. Now causes of the epilepsies are there, that is stroke is there. Stroke is nothing but the blood supply to the organ is less or no. In that case, seizures are occur. Then brain tumors. This is the same one as just like the stroke is there. Then brain infection, the bacterial, viral, fungal infections are there in the brain that causes the difficulty or the this what the contents are there which are to be present, it causes the disturbances in that, and that leads to the seizure. Then past head injury, if at the childhood if the children is fall on the brain or head, then in that case the epilepsy may generated. Drug use or the alcohol withdrawal symptoms are there, metabolic problems are there, then other neurological conditions are there, high fevers in the infant, then genetic orders are there. All these things are there that causes the epilepsy. Epilepsy may occur with the development of the disability. Disabilities such as your autism. Autism is nothing but the difficulty with the spatial interaction and communication. Some of the persons if there is having difficulty to speak or to give audience, this one is there, and in that case the autism is the same condition is there, means epileptic persons are there have fear to speak in the audience, such about the conditions are there, that is nothing but the autism is there. Communication and restricted in the repetitive behavior, repeatedly the same sentence is there, that is we talking. Then cognitive impairment, when a person who throwable resembling then learning or a person who are having a trouble in remembering, recalling, learning new things, then concentrating or making the decision that affect their everyday life. This normal life, if there is also not able to perform, the condition is there is known as the cognitive impairments are there. But the majority of the people who have epilepsy do not have other impairment. Those person who are having the epilepsy, they are not having the other impairments and live very a normal life. Means only for a short time the epileptic attack is there is found, but else they are living their normal life. Now the next one is there, that is a pathophysiology of the epilepsy there, that is a paroxysmal discharge in the cortical neurons are there. The discharge of the through the cortical neurons is there should occur. Then seizures originate from the gray matters of any cortical or the subcortical area, means where there is stimulation is there should occur, the signals are generated from the gray matter, because of which the signals are there that is abnormally fired of the neurons are there, and these neurons is breakdown of the normal membrane conductance, because the repeated firing what are the neurons are there that breaks the normal conductance and inhibited the sympathetic currents is there, that is should break down into the locally and widely. And the locally is that is causes the focal seizures are there, means from some of the targets are there, this only the specific area is to be affected because of the focal seizure, whereas the generalized seizure that is to be affected on both the sides of the brain, and the it shows on the whole body, that is a generalized seizures are there. Now, abnormality of the potassium conductance is there, that is found. Potassium conductance is there is not a proper one. There is a abnormality or the difficulty is there, because of which the defect in the voltage sensitive ion channels. What is the ion channels which are to be present, which is responsible to show the voltage for the proper, or we can say that the neurons information transfer is there, that should be defective. So there is a deficiency in the membrane ATPase is there, that is will result in case of the neuron membrane instability. The membrane is there is not stable, and that shows seizures. Deficiency in case of the inhibitory neurotransmitter is there. What are the neurotransmitters are there in that are inhibiting? Uh, there is a deficiency there should occur. Means what are the seizures which are be transferred from one neuron to the another neuron to inhibit that one transmissions. Some of the neurotransmitters are there, but if they are not to be present in a sufficient amount, then it may result or help in the seizures. Increase in the excitatory neurotransmitter, means rather than the inhibiting, there is a excess quantity of the neurons are there that are to be transmitted, or we can say that promote the neurotransmitter and abnormal neuronal activity that ultimately results in the seizures. Now, this epilepsy there should be diagnosed by the electroencephalogram, that is known as a EEG. Just like ECG, electrocardiogram, this is a encephalogram is there. The by using this one device, you can diagnose the concentration of the epilepsy. This is the different points are there that are attached to the neuron, where the most of the total controls are there that are be found, and through this the graphs is there that we observe, and by this one graph and this one point that indicate that this graph from this one what is the concentration of the epilepsy is to be found in the patient that is detected, that is the electroencephalogram. Then neurological imaging study, means just like your CT scan is there, then MRI is there. Likewise, the testings are there that are to be carried out. Then CT scan of the brain is there should be carried out. Then MRI of the brain is there that should be carried out. Then computed uh, tomography is carried out. Then positron emission tomography, that is a PET, is carried out, and that result all these result that gives the uh, concentration of the epilepsy is to be present in the body. Now these are the managements are there. Management means how you are going to at what epilepsy, which type the treatments are there that is to be given. The first choice, second choice, third choice, fourth choice. In simple, partial carbamazepine is there is to be given. Then second choice is phenytoin. Then third is primidone is there. Then gabapentin is there. Likewise, the treatments are there that are to be given. All these charts indicate that at what complex epilepsy that first you have to analyze which type of the epilepsy is there and by which type of the treatment. If it is the initial one, then such type of the drug treatment are given. If second time is there, then uh, as there is a resistance there should be developed, so that you have to change this one therapy. Then such type of the treatments are there that are to be given third time, likewise fourth time, likewise. In this way we are going to complete topic that is a epilepsy. Okay, thank you.